Welcome to the most profitable 15 minutes that you'd spend developing your business across Africa. What this workshop is a set of 5 3-minute exercises that would end up giving you the clarity you need to take the next courageous step towards hitting your most ambitious goals in Africa. See, over the last 2 3 years, I've spent time with entrepreneurs and business managers, helping them expand their business across Africa. And through about 100 consultations, what we find with a lot of these businesses, depending on where they are in their business development, we find certain trends that kind of cut across all businesses. And we have taken all these inputs that we've learned over 100 consultations and condensed them into 15 minutes for you so that you can speed up to your business goals quicker. All right, so here's the format for the workshop. I'm going to, over the 5 videos, I'm going to talk and give instructions for about a minute to help you understand what you need to do. And then you're going to take 2 minutes to fill out your responses in the workbook that is also provided with the workshop. And we do that over the series of 5 videos. And at the end of it, you get your clarity statement, which is after video 5. There are 5 videos. The first video starts with goal clarity, helps you develop like what are your ambitious business goals. Go out there and state it. The second one is, we call it the business audits. So we're going to take inventory of what your business is, where you are currently, what are some of your current challenges. The third video talks about knowing your market, understanding the market that you're trying to address. How well do you know that market? How connected are you to businesses on the ground? How well do you know your customers? The fourth video is about prioritization. You have to prioritize the businesses, or sorry, the markets that you want to focus on, since Africa is very vast with 54 countries. Prioritization helps you choose the markets that you should focus on. And the last video is where you get your Africa goal clarity statement. And in this video, you're going to get a statement which is purely from you based on all the information that you filled in throughout the workshop. So go ahead, start with the workshop. It only takes 15 minutes, and it's going to be I promise you to be the best 15 minutes that you spend developing your business across Africa.